Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable the options to show attached keyboard when necessary in the Firefox web browser. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side, i-click mo lang yung three line icon na to. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, next step ay kailangan mong select dito yung settings. And then, dito sa settings, and dito lang sa right side niya, ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung browsing. Right? So, scroll down tayo. Okay? So, dito sa browsings, under nito, ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung show attached keyboard when necessary. So, pwede mo itong i-uncheck or check mo lang siyang ganito siya. Alright? Napakasimple lang. Wala nang ibang settings dito na gaganawin, kundi uncheck or check yung box. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable show touch keyboard when necessary and Firefox. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.